Breaking into finance can feel impossible when every job posting seems to demand the same thing. Entry level must have 2 to 3 years of experience. And you're probably thinking, how am I supposed to get experience if no one will give me a chance? But here's the good news. There are real finance jobs you can land without previous experience, roles designed for beginners, career switchers, and anyone starting fresh. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 entry-level finance jobs you can actually land, even with zero experience. I'll break down what each role involves, why it's beginner-friendly, and the key skills that will help you stand out. So, if you're ready to finally break into finance, this is where your journey starts. But first, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable career insights. Alright, let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most common and most beginner-friendly entry-level finance roles out there, bookkeeper. This role's perfect if you're just starting out because bookkeepers handle the day-to-day financial activity of a business, and most companies are happy to train you. As a bookkeeper, you'll handle the core financial fundamentals, recording transactions, paying bills, sending invoices, reconciling bank accounts, tracking expenses, and ensuring the books stay clean and accurate. It's practical, hands-on work that gives you a complete picture of how money actually moves inside a company. And here's why it's such a strong entry point into finance. You don't need advanced modeling skills, you don't need a finance degree, and you don't need years of experience. You only need solid organizational skills, basic Excel, and the willingness to learn tools like QuickBooks or Xero, both of which are incredibly easy to pick up. What makes this path so powerful is the foundation it builds. From bookkeeping, you can step into junior accounting, staff accounting, financial analysis, FP&A, or even small business finance roles, because you'll understand the fundamentals better than almost anyone. Now, let's move to one of the most recognizable starting points in finance, junior financial analyst. If you're aiming for FP&A, corporate finance, investment roles, or even consulting down the line, this is one of the strongest places to start. As a junior analyst, your job is to support the team with the core tasks, pulling data, preparing reports, updating models, checking variances, and assisting with month-end analysis. You're not making the final decisions yet, but you are doing the work that helps leaders make them. Most companies don't expect you to come in with advanced modeling skills. What they want are strong fundamentals, solid Excel, basic financial concepts, and the ability to think critically. And the best part? This role grows fast. A good junior analyst can step into an FP&A analyst or senior analyst role within 1 to 2 years, simply by learning on the job, asking questions, and taking ownership of small projects. All right, another significant beginner-friendly finance role is entry-level credit analyst, especially if you're interested in banking or risk. In this role, you help evaluate whether individuals or businesses are good loan candidates. You'll review basic financial documents, check credit reports, and use standardized scoring models to support lending decisions. And here's the best part. Most banks hire beginners. They'll train you on their systems, templates, and evaluation process. You just need strong attention to detail and comfort working with numbers. This role provides practical exposure to risk, financial statements, and real decision-making, making it an excellent launchpad into commercial banking, risk management, or more advanced credit analysis roles. All right, another strong entry-level role you can land without prior experience is Treasury Assistant, an excellent choice if you want to work closely with a company's cash and banking activities. In this role, you support the Treasury team with the day-to-day movement of money. You'll help monitor daily cash balances, prepare simple cash reports, track incoming and outgoing payments, and work with the company's banks to manage accounts. What makes this role beginner-friendly is that most companies don't expect deep financial knowledge up front. They'll train you on their internal systems and workflows. You only need solid Excel skills, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn quickly. And the experience you gain here is extremely valuable. Treasury is at the center of how a business manages risk, liquidity, and financial stability. That means this role can lead to positions in corporate finance, FP&A, banking operations, or even treasury analyst roles as you grow. If you're looking for a practical, high-impact entry point into finance, Treasury Assistant is an excellent step forward. And finally, let's talk about a role most people overlook, but it's one of the easiest ways to break into finance: payroll or compensation analyst. This role sits right at the intersection of finance, HR, and data, and it's far more analytical than people realize. As a payroll or compensation analyst, you work with salary data, bonus calculations, benefits costs, tax deductions, and monthly payroll reports. You'll track compensation trends, help reconcile payroll accounts, and ensure employees are paid accurately and on time. Most companies don't require previous finance experience. They'll train you on their systems. You simply need strong Excel skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work with numbers. And the career growth is impressive. From this role, you can move into FP&A, HR analytics, compensation and benefits, or finance operations. So, those are 5 real finance jobs you can land, even without experience. And each one gives you the foundation you need to grow into higher-level roles like FP&A, financial analysis, or corporate finance. The key is simple. You don't need the perfect resume to start. You just need one opportunity and the willingness to build your skills. So, choose the role that best fits you, apply confidently, and keep learning along the way. And if you want to speed up that learning, from Excel to finance fundamentals to data and AI, check out 365 Financial Analyst. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which role you're aiming for. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.